Thousands of flight cancellations over the weekend left crowds of passengers stranded at airports all over the country. And during the busy spring break stretch, no less, putting quite a damper on a lot of family travel plans.
We have luggage. We have like 15 bags, 10 people, 4 kids, 6 adults.
Trying to get home before my birthday, which is today. She's pregnant. We were like all this traveling has been crazy.
FlightAware tracked more than 900 canceled flights for Southwest, 600 plus for American, and over 270 for Delta, more than 500 for JetBlue. Some due to technology, others weather, and a few blamed air traffic conditions. So if you and your family find yourself in this kind of situation during your vacation, do you know what your options are? Tonight, our Allison Gormley tells us what's the deal with airline refund policies.
Delays and cancellations, they happen, but refunds and reimbursement, they depend on the circumstances. If your flight is canceled altogether, you can get your money back. If your flight is significantly delayed, you can also get your money back. However, it's a little murky because the law doesn't define significant. That's determined by the carrier. Most time frames are between 2 and 4 hours. But those policies only go so far. If you're stranded out of state, airlines will usually do their best to get you on another flight, but might not be right away. If it's late at night, airlines could put you up in a hotel. However, it's not required. They may say no to weather delays, but okay if their plane is having a mechanical issue. Just ask and double check their contract of carriage or their terms and conditions. A travel insurance policy might also cover hotel and food.